Gain Fluency in English, a step-by-step guide. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a vital goal for many learners, gaining fluency in English. Understanding what fluency means and how to achieve it can be a game changer in your language learning journey. Fluency is the ability to speak or write a language easily and accurately. It's not just about knowing a lot of words or grammar rules. It's about being able to use them effectively in real-life situations. Fluency means expressing yourself clearly and understanding others without much struggle. Fluency in a language is made up of several key components. 1. Vocabulary. Knowing a wide range of words and how to use them. 2. Grammar. Understanding the rules that govern how words are put together. 3. Pronunciation. Being able to produce the sounds of the language clearly. 4. Listening comprehension. Understanding spoken language. 5. Speaking skills. Being able to converse smoothly and confidently. Gaining fluency requires time, patience, and practice. Here are some effective strategies. 1. Regular practice. Consistently use the language in everyday situations. 2. Immersion. Surround yourself with the language through media, conversation, and reading. 3. Speaking practice. Engage in conversations with native speakers or language exchange partners. 4. Listening exercises. Listen to podcasts, songs, and watch movies in English. 5. Reading and writing. Read books and articles, and practice writing essays or journals. Achieving fluency can come with challenges. Here are a few common ones and how to overcome them. Fear of making mistakes. Remember, making mistakes is a part of learning. Don't be afraid to speak up. Lack of exposure. Try to create an English-speaking environment around you. Plateauing. If you feel stuck, try new methods of learning or focus on areas you find difficult. Gaining fluency in English is a journey that requires dedication and practice. Remember, it's not about perfection but about improvement and confidence. Keep practicing, and you will see progress. Happy learning, and we hope this video helps you on your path to fluency.